Welcome to Royal Zone. Meghan Markle's half-brother Thomas Jr. is in search of ways to control their dad's prison and enterprise affairs to permit him to relaxation and focal point on his health. As he plans a long costly legal battle which he calls will ruin his sister Meghan. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe so you never miss any future updates on the royal family. Tom Jr. has lodged a bid for Thomas Sr., 78, to be put beneath a conservatorship as he battles lower back from a stroke. The cross will let Tom Jr., 55, manipulate a court docket case in which the former Hollywood lighting fixtures engineer is suing British photographer Jeff Rayner over staged snapshots taken before Meghan's 2018 wedding ceremony to Prince Harry. The photographs led to a breakdown in the relationship between Meghan, 41, and her dad. The conservatorship design was once published in files filed in California about the Rayner case. Tom Jr. informed the court docket he is in the process of acquiring the felony association to step in for his dad. A comparable association was once put in region with the aid of the household of U.S. pop queen Britney Spears when she suffered fitness problems. It led to the afflicted singer's existence and funds being ruled with the aid of household for greater than a decade. It is understood the diagram for Thomas Sr. is much less far-reaching. A well-placed supply informed the Sunday Mirror. Tom Sr. has had a collection of fitness scares and his son wishes to do the satisfactory for him with the aid of taking any stress away. Cases in America grind on for months or years, so it will be a weight off Tom Sr.'s mind. It will assist him center of attention on his recovery. Rayner utilized for a restraining order on Thomas Sr., who was once quoted in an e-book pronouncing he would reflect on consideration on killing the photographer, however it has in view that been denied that he said it. In the Tom Bower book, Revenge, Meghan, Harry and the War Between the Windsors, he was once claimed to have said, "I acquired screwed Rayner. I prefer to tear him down. If they inform me I've obtained terminal cancer, then I'll kill him due to the fact I have nothing to lose." The pair are due in courtroom in November when Thomas Sr. are trying to find $1 million, claiming the staged photos triggered him worldwide embarrassment. Tom Jr. already lives shut to his father in Rosarito, Mexico, supporting him to get better from his stroke. Meghan has now not spoken to their dad due to the fact that he posed for the 2018 snaps. He later neglected her wedding ceremony after a coronary heart attack. Thomas Sr. has nonetheless in no way met son-in-law Harry, or his grandchildren Archie, 3, and Lilibet, 1. On getting this, followers took to social media writing, "Why do I have to hold on texting my remarks? This is the 0.33 time. Harry ought to be ashamed of himself. Please let Deanna relaxation in peace and stop the use of her as a crutch, Harry. Is attempting to smash 2 households now. She should be rotten interior, and Harry, stop driving your mom's coattails. Grow up and be a man rather of lap boy." Well, he cannot simply get the affairs, there is a will and a felony manner to attain ownership, section possession as nicely as share funding rights. The world is now not convenient like that, however these matters are now not as tough to obtain, as lengthy as the father is present, or his will states who receives what of his assets. Otherwise it is owned by using the nation government, and will want to be introduced returned from them. So appropriate for him in what he wants, and with any luck he receives it this way, or he won't. This is very bizarre, as we have the following from the source. Meghan's father used to be getting careworn through paparazzi, and a warning was once issued via Prince William and the Kensington Palace. However, her dad noticed greenback signs. The pictures on the Daily Mail suggests he employed superstar photographer Jeff Rayner to assist him stage the pics and then offered them round the world. Don't worry. Meghan will be on to this to guard her beloved father. And of direction, get some publicity and some money. Or possibly now not if Netflix decides it won't make desirable footage.